Well, happy Saturday morning to you. I'm up in the mountains on my way up to hike to Scout Falls, and I thought I would show you the scenery. It is gorgeous. Waterfalls are going to be the theme of the day. There's a small little one right along the side of the trail. And then it goes down over the edge. It's beautiful. And then I can hear behind me Scout Falls, really loud. Can't wait to get there, almost there. Look at this beautiful waterfall. Look at all the moss and the green. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Wow. Wow. Okay, we've made it to Scout Falls, and this is looking out through the canyon. You can probably hear the water, but here's the big reveal. Are you ready? Here we go. Here's the trail. Pan up. And then, holy cow, there's the waterfall. Look at the cascade. Several points of being fed. Zoom in a little bit for you. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. Zoom back out. Follow it down a little bit. And there you have it. Okay, there's the falls, but I want to show you the valley. Look at that. Look at that. Incredible. And I got to zoom in a little bit to show you the stream winding through. Hopefully that didn't lose too much quality. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm just going to go climb up to the falls now. Okay, I made it to Scout Falls. Beautiful cascade. I don't know, it's easily several hundred feet. But let me take you up and show you the money. There's the money shot right there. Look at that. Incredible.
There you go.
Okay, gonna try to skirt along the edge of this cliff here and go down the other side over there. And then just to remind you, this is the view. Totally crazy. The waterfalls is over there. I have no idea where I'm going, never been here. So this is all new. For those of you that know me, know that this type of situation, with my fear of heights and a narrow path, is not my favorite. Although, another great view of the waterfalls here. Continuing up the trail, higher altitude view of the valley. And you can see some fog coming in. I know there's more rain coming. so I don't have a ton of time. And I can hear a waterfall way up there. I'll try to zoom in. It's right there, kind of in the center of the screen. Hopefully you can see it. Zooming back out though. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. Look at those greens there. Wow. Well, I've come to an interesting place where the trail is actually a running stream of snowmelt. So I'm doing my best to stay along the edges, but every once in a while having to submerge my feet. No big deal, just some fun. Another waterfall, although this is really a stream that comes out of that ravine up there. Stream, ravine. Get the